All right, so you mentioned at the beginning that when you started working on GPCRs, there were just a few that had structures. Is there, out of that, or since then, do you have a favorite one that you
So
kind of had?
no, I don't have a favorite GPCR, and I try really hard not to have one. It's difficult. The adenosine receptor was kind of my first love. It was a structure. There were many it was interesting therapeutically for Parkinson at that time. And we published several studies together with Ken Jacobson and other groups on that receptor. But I couldn't stay there. I felt that you have to, each GPCR has a different challenge. And often there's a structure that triggers a question for our group, like a new structure, or there is a specific question that leads us to work on a specific receptor. So some receptors are simply not suitable for answering the question, and some structures, you have to move to different targets to answer different types of questions. And I think that really helps us also to get general conclusions that will be applicable to many different targets. But that said, I truly love going to conferences and talk to the person about this receptor, which is like an encyclopedia of information and knowledge that I can try to tease out and combine with some other knowledge to do something new.